To clean your leather car seats, first vacuum each seat thoroughly with a hose attachment. Use a thin vacuum attachment to reach in between any crevices and pleats in the leather. Then, check the seats for any cuts or tears. If you find any, cover them with masking tape so you don't get any cleaner inside of your seats. Next, liberally spray your seats with a cleaner designed specifically for leather. You can also make your own cleaner by mixing 2 parts white vinegar and 1 part olive oil. Scrub your leather seats with a soft bristled brush to work the cleaner into them and remove any dirt and grime. Next, get a non-abrasive scrub pad and wipe each seat thoroughly with the broad side of the pad to lift up any dirt or crumbs you knocked up with the brush. Finally, wipe your seats with a microfiber cloth to remove any leftover cleaner. Let your car air out by opening the doors or windows for around 30 minutes.